Iba-iba ang pananaw ng mga negosyante sa Rigodon sa gabinete ni PBBM. Pero marami sa kanila ang natuwa sa choice ng Pangulo para sa bagong pinuno ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Narito ang agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
Mixed pero pragmatikong tugon mula sa business community. Ganito ang kabuuang sentimiento ng ilang negosyante matapos ang anunsyong 3 kalihim lang ang pinalitan sa tinawag na bold reset ni Pangulong Marcos.
I would say this is up. I think that's his call, and as a fact, we did that. We in the beach sector even went out to support that all the economic managers should be kept, because really the beach team that's doing pretty good job.
May mga executive na nagpahayag ng pangamba, hindi dahil kulang ang pagpalit, kundi dahil baka magdulot ito ng pagbabago sa patnubay ng ekonomiya. Pero para sa iba, hindi na bago ang pag-reset, malakihan man o hindi. Ganito rin ang sentimiento ng isa sa mga financial institutions sa bansa.
The politics with the small p, is really not very relevant to us. Why? Inclusion will always be there, okay? People will still need to loan, people will need income. The Philippines needs to prosper. So I think whatever decisions they make out there, we should be good.
Sa kabilang banda, nag-react din ang business community sa pagpasok ni Francis Edralin Lim bilang bagong SEC chairman simula nitong Huwebes.
I know him personally, and I work with him in some. He's very qualified, and I think he should be an asset to the Security Exchange.
Ang wish ng mga negosyante para kay Lim ay ang tutukan nito ang digitalization ng SEC at ang pag-streamline ng mga proseso.
They've been asked by the President to focus on digital transformation because, again, the key to transparency in government is to digitalize many things, diba? So I think si Francis is going to have to do that. I'm sure he's going to have to review some policies, but I'm not sad that he's there.
Right now, when you transact with them, as if one department doesn't talk with the other department. Sometimes you file an application, they will tell you to produce some documents that they have on file, no? On the other departments. Yung mga ganun, I think it's facilitation lang.
Umaasa rin si PCCI Chairman Sergio Ortiz Luis na mabawasan pa ang red tape sa ahensya. Para sa agenda, Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.